Let's convert a Shopify store into a mobile app. So, I am the founder of Brewmyapp, and today I am going to demonstrate the process of making an app of your store. So, you can check how the app will going to work. This is a live preview of the apps. Here you can see different apps. Let's get started. So for that, we are going to go inside the admin page of the Shopify store. Next step is to add the app. And we have to go into the Shopify App Store. Let's search Brewmyapp. Click on Install. Click on Install again. Okay, so after you install the Brewmyapp, this will the dashboard you will see. You can change the language from the drop down. Now let's start designing the app. So here, before even starting the designer, you can see the app is live. Here you can see all your products, categories, and everything. So let's start customizing the app. For that, I'll go into the design your app. Now let's start designing the application. For that, here you can see we have app language, which is set to English. You can change it according to your convenience. There is app branding. You can set the different name. So for now, let's pick up my store name. And let's turn on autosave so that I don't have to click on save every time. Now let's pick a theme. So I'll pick a blue theme. Okay, perfect. And the header, for the header, I'll choose the classic one, and instead of home, I'll pick the store name. Okay, you can also add your logo. Perfect. Now the next step is to customize the home screen. So we'll go into the pages home screen, and here you can see there is a scrolling text, a banner which is already inserted, so we need to customize it. There is all categories. Here there are different modes. You can select carousel. You can even go with large. You can change circle, square, rounded, different things. You can even customize the background color. Suppose you want the white background. Okay, so yeah, there are multiple things which you can customize here. There are so many blocks you can add, and it's not like you have to do it only for the first time. You can also publish the app, then also you can customize everything, and then send the update over the app anytime. So there are so many customizations. You can go one by one. In this video, we are not focused on customization. You can send the customization update after making the build also. Okay, so how you can ship this app? To the App Store or Play Store. But before that, let me tell you, you can view the products. You can view different things. Everything is synced. So it's not like you have to onboard new customers. This means all the older customers can easily sign in. So let me do a sign in for this. So it's completely synced with your stores. So even your older customers can see their older orders using sign in. Now to test the checkout, we can sign in. So what we do is we click here preview on phone, we enable the OTP. There is default customers on the new stores, so I'll use this one. And here let's place an order. So we click on checkout. Now to complete the transaction inside the Brewmyapp, you have to open the new checkout tab and click on refresh once. You can copy the link and again open a new tab. This might happen sometimes. So you have to enter the store password. And then again I'll go into the checkout and just complete the checkout. So this checkout will be loaded inside the app by default. For checkout to be working inside the app, you need to go into preview and open our app inside the preview mode. And then you can do the native checkout from the app to see how the app is working. Even it's also live synced. So what are the changes you are doing will be shown inside the app also. That's the benefit of having the mobile app. It's very faster to do testing. Okay, perfect. You can see every customer is synced. So even your older customers can easily log in and see their older orders and all their status. And even their cart is synced with the websites. Okay, and yeah, you can explore more. But for now, let's go inside the build and start making the app. You can ship the updates later on also. Perfect. Now to ship the app, let's create the app. Now you have to purchase a plan to make a build. So let me subscribe and pay. For development stores, it's free to subscribe. There is no payment required upfront. So I'll just pick the Pro plan. Perfect. Now we have the Pro plan. So let's start build and publish. Click on create app. Select the store. Okay, so let's wait for 1 or 2 minutes. You can even go into my stores and check if the pro is active or not. Okay, it took around 2 minutes to get the subscription here, but don't worry, we'll fix that also. So it's time to make a build. We'll go into create app, we select the store, we give the app a name, so I'll give the same name. Now click on create app. Now here you have to enter the account name of Expo and access token. So here you can just go into the sign up process. Perfect. Here you have to sign up. Since I am already signed up here, I'll just log in. Now since I have easily signed up, I just need to provide two things. The first is the account name, which you can copy directly from the URL, or you can see here also. And second is access token. So you can go into settings and access tokens. So here it's access tokens is here. You just need to create a token. Give a token name, any name you can give. Click on generate token, copy the token, paste it, click on connect. Perfect. Now here you can see the draft has been created. You just need to click it. Now let's create a app icon. कैसे कैसे लोग हैं भाई तेरे घर में अंदर आने का लूप होल पता चल गया मुझे बढ़िया है अगर मैं किसी दिन आ गया फिर क्या करेगा तू मैं तो कुछ Perfect. Now the app logo is ready. You can upload the dark icon if needed. You can also add the launch screen. Currently I am not using it. Here for push notification, if you want to add credentials, you can easily go ahead and connect your developer account. So I'll just click on connect. Now here you have to go into your Apple Connect. So I'll click here. Okay, now I'll just create one. I'll give the role as admin. Click on generate. And I'll download it. Perfect. Now you have to copy two things, which is key ID. Paste the key ID and the issuer ID. You can copy and paste the issuer ID. Now you have to upload the key and click on link and verify. Perfect. Now there is credentials, which is automatically creating in the backend. Okay, so it's so simple. Everything is ready. Now let's quickly do for Android. Okay, I have logged in and now we have to set up the Firebase. Now here it's an important thing. You have to make a Firebase account with the same Gmail ID you have linked here, and then you have to create a project. So here you can create your project. If not created, then here you can come again, refresh the list, and then you can click here again. So let me show you. I'll select the project. Now it's time to add the server key. So I'll click here. Now you have to click this page. Now we have to generate the private key. Click on generate key. Click on save. Go back. Now drop this. Okay, we are ready to go for the build. Our push notification is completely set up. Let's make a build. Let's make for iOS first. So I'll trigger the build. Okay, the app is built. Let's go into the submit tab. Perfect. Now to submit the app, we have to create the app. So let's go into the App Store. Let's open Apple Connect. Click on plus. Click on new app. Select the iOS. Copy the app name, paste it, add the primary language, select the bundle ID. Here you can paste anything. Click on full access, click on create. Perfect. Now the app is created. We just need to go back. Click on your app is set up on Apple. Now we have to send to test flight. Here we have to add the Apple app ID. So for that we just need to go into the app information. Copy the Apple ID, paste it, click on save, click on submit. Perfect. Now our build has been submitted and it's just take 10 minutes. Now to verify you need to wait for app to load here. So it might take around 2 minutes. Since we have submitted from here, it might take 2 minutes to load here. Now you can see our app is ready to submit. But first we need to make a test. So we go back, refresh. Now it's time to test. So I'll click on test now. I'll give a name. Click on create group. Now for testing I'll open my iPhone. Here in the email when you open the test flight app, you just need to install the app. Now you can open the app. Now you can see the app is looking same as we have built. Suppose we have to change the homepage title or anything in the app. We again go to designer tab. We select the store. Then suppose we need to change the header. So we go into the screen titles and then again we change to shop. Click on save. Okay. You can add anything. You can add more blocks. There are some cool blocks available. Suppose you want to add a video block, I'll recommend you, which is a shopper block, shoppable videos block. Okay, and I'll add it in the second section. Perfect. And to customize it you need to add a heading. So I'll just give our title, and suppose I need to add the URLs. So it's easy. You just need to go into your Shopify store, go into content, go into files. Here you have to upload some files. I downloaded an Instagram video and I'll just show this. I'll just copy the link, paste the links, and I'll paste it 3 times the same video and save the block. And let's see, these are the videos. You can attach the products. You can click on search products. Let me attach 2-3 products. You can add any videos you want. Perfect. Okay. The videos are live. Here you can see the products is also attached. So let's send the update. So here we see the submit OTA button. We go here, we write a message, added video block, then push the update to the iOS build 1, which is already live, and let's wait for 3 minutes. It generally takes 3 to 5 minutes to dispatch the update, and this will auto refresh the user apps. Okay, now the OTA is pushed. We just need to wait. Now the user apps will automatically fetch the update. Sometimes it might take few seconds. And here you can see in the live app, we have the videos. And we can scroll the videos. We can add to cart. Perfect. Okay. So now let's submit this app for review. So we go into the iOS deployment. Perfect. Now let's send for review. And yes, you have tried the build. So you have to click on yes. Now we have to select the category. So it's shopping. Click on save and continue. A description. Perfect. Now let's click on next. Here we have to add keywords. So I'll just add the store name for now. You can add more keywords. You can add subtitle according to you. You can ask ChatGPT also. Perfect. Now we have to add the support URL. For that you need to add your contact page, and for the privacy policy we have to deploy a privacy policy page. So for that you need to go inside your Shopify, pages, and here is your privacy policy which is visible. You can click on view. You can add a page. Privacy policy. Perfect. And let's click on generate text. And then you can also add additional. You can use ChatGPT to generate the privacy policy, which is very easy. You can click on visible. Since This is for demonstration purpose. I will add a privacy policy which you can add here only in the question mark. But for now, I am just adding this page. And I'll make sure the contact page is also working. Yeah, it's the same URL, so I hope it will work fine. Now it's time to choose. You can choose anything, it's up to you. Then your first name and last name. Click on save and continue. Now you have to write how reviewer can use it. So I'll just use the note. Click on save and continue. It is recommended don't change the OTP bypassing until your app review is completed. And now let's submit the build version 1. Now there is some privacy you have to add. So for that you have to go inside the privacy page. Here you can see we have to click on get started. Then here you can see everything, the answers. Click on yes. And then in the second page you have to select name, email address, phone number. And then click on save. Okay, then click on setup. Then we have to select app functionality. Click on next. Then we have to click yes. Then we have to click next, next. Then we have to click no and save. Same we have to do for others. App functionality, next, 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 save. Then again, then click on publish, publish, done. Now we have to check this, click on done, next. Now we have to upload these screenshots. So for that I'll open the designer tab in new page. and click on and take few screenshots. So I'll download one. Two. Three. Then again capture fourth. Now go back, click on add screenshots, and I'll select all the 4. You can do up to 10, or if you want you can also customize with the same resolution, but make sure there is some app part. You can see the reference doc how screenshots can be designed custom, so you can do it. It's not needed that you follow this step only for the screenshots, but make sure you have to upload the screenshots inside the first step. So here you can see we uploaded the 4 screenshots. So these are the 4 screenshots. Okay, so there is some errors in the screenshots, but not to worry, you can take it again. And yeah, that's it for the screenshot process. You can click on done. Okay, so Apple still needs one screenshot more, so I'll add one more screenshot. Okay, just to verify, you can come here and refresh the screen. And here you can see it's waiting for review, and it might take up to 48 hours to some time. So your app will go live, you will get the email. Congratulations. Now it's time to submit the Android build. So we again make the build for AAB and we'll start the build. Okay, now it's time to submit. So before submitting, we have to click on continue. So since the first step is completed, we have to follow the second steps. Click on Open Play Console. Select your profile. Click on Create App. Copy the app name, paste it. Copy the package name, paste it. Select your language. Click on App. Click on Free. Click on Confirm. Create App. Once it's done, come back. Click on Sync Now. Now we have to do a very important step. We have to download the release and upload it manually for the first time. So this is how we can do it. First, close this, go to builds, download this file. Then go back to Android deployment, click on continue. Here we have to follow these steps, very important and very carefully. Go inside the app. Now here we have to go into test and release. Go into testing. Click on internal testing. Then we have to click on create new release. Now we have to upload the app. Now we have to go below, remove this release note, or you can enter version 2.0. Click on next. Click on save and publish. Okay. Now we have to click on next. Click on next. Now here we have to again add the details. So we have to go under grow users, store presence, store listings, create a default store listing. Here we have to enter some descriptions. You can add as you want. Perfect. Now you have to upload the app icon. Click on next. Then don't label assets. Perfect. Click on save. Now we have to upload these screenshots. Perfect. After saving, we have to go to overview. Okay, now we have to go into the dashboard and see the steps remaining to publish the app. So the next step is to select a tester. So for testing, we have a solution. Since there is a tester group, or either if you have, since you need at least 12 testers, if you have 12 testers that will test for 14 days, it's good. Else you have to go inside a new tab and search for tester community. Here they provide the solution, so it's easy. You have to see how it works. Simply you have to make payment, you have to submit the app, and just need to upload their email inside the tester. Here you just need to add their email and then submit it. Okay, so yeah, that's very easy, you can do it. For the remaining steps, we have to set the privacy policy. So we have to copy the privacy policy URL which we have made. Copy and paste it. Click on save. Again go to publishing overview, dashboard. Click on sign in details. Yes, our app needs sign in. Add the details. So here we add customer account. Now here we have to add the email ID. So let's see the next step. So for email we use the bypass. For the password we paste this. Okay, then we click on add, click on save, then again go to overview. Now the next tab is ads. No, the app does not contain ads. Click on dashboard. Click on content rating, start the questionnaire. You have to enter the email address. Click on category. Click on terms and conditions. Click on next. In our case, the store is normal t-shirt clothing store, so I'll select no. So here also it's a shopping, so we don't allow user to interact, exchange content, so I'll click no. Then here also we don't promote content. Here also we are not selling anything that is age restricted, So in case you are, you have to select yes, but we don't. So here also no. We don't allow digital goods. So again no. There is no digital transactions. The app is not a web browser or search engine. So again we select no. And there is no news education products. So again we select no. Then click on save. Click on next. Then click on save. Perfect. Now again go to dashboard. Select target audience. You can select the audience we recommend from 13 to 18 above. Click on next. Click on save. Go to overview. Again go to dashboard. Click on data safety. Click on next. So click on yes. Click on yes. Then we have to use username. And other authentications. And OAuth. Okay. Then there is a delete URL which you need to paste. So please paste your contact URL. Then here we have to click on no. Here we have to click again yes and paste the same URL. Then we have to click on next. Now here we have to add, we are taking personal info, name, email address, phone number, user IDs, address. Click on next. Click on start. Click on collected. Click on yes. Click on app functionality. Click on data collection is required. Click on save. Same we have to do for others. For phone number, it's up to user if they want to share or not. Save. then click on next, then click on save. Now again we have to go to dashboard, click on government apps. So this is not a government app, so I'll just select no and save. Again go to dashboard, click on financial features. So currently the app does not provide any financial features, so I'll click on save. Then again health, so we do not collect anything, so we just click on save. Okay. Now here we have to add the category. So I'll select shopping, click on save. And you have to provide the contact information. Okay, contact information is also provided. Now again I go to dashboard. Perfect. Now the one last thing is you have to just select the tester. So you have to, if you don't have a agency account, then this is necessary, else it don't require the step. Okay, so you just need to add testers and test the app, and after 14 days it will automatically apply. You will get the button to apply for production, and yeah, that's it. In case you face any issues, you can reach out anytime by going into the settings and filling the contact form